United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 161, Composition, Procedure and Voting, 1. The Council shall consist of 36 members of the authority elected by the Assembly in the following order. A. 4 members from among those states parties which, during the last 5 years for which statistics are available, have either consumed more than 2% of total world consumption, or have had net imports of more than 2% of total world imports of the commodities produced from the categories of minerals to be derived from the area, and in any case one state from the Eastern European, Socialist, region, as well as the largest consumer. B. 4 members from among the 8 states parties, which have the largest investments in preparation for and in the conduct of activities in the area, either directly or through their nationals, including at least one state from the Eastern European Socialist region. C. 4 members from among states parties, which on the basis of production, in areas under their jurisdiction, are major net exporters of the categories of minerals to be derived from the area, including at least 2 developing states, whose exports of such minerals have a substantial bearing upon their economies. D. 6 members from among developing states parties, representing special interests. The special interests to be represented shall include those of states with large populations, states which are landlocked or geographically disadvantaged, states which are major importers of the categories of minerals to be derived from the area, states which are potential producers of such minerals, and least developed states. 18 members elected according to the principle of ensuring an equitable geographical distribution of seats in the Council as a whole, provided that each geographical region shall have at least 1 member elected under this subparagraph. For this purpose, the geographical regions shall be Africa, Asia, Eastern European, Socialist, Latin America, and Western European, and others. 2. In electing the members of the Council in accordance with paragraph 1, the Assembly shall ensure that a. Landlocked and geographically disadvantaged states are represented to a degree which is reasonably proportionate to their representation in the Assembly. B. Coastal states, especially developing states, which do not qualify under paragraph 1a, b, c, or d, are represented to a degree which is reasonably proportionate to their representation in the Assembly. C. Each group of states parties to be represented on the Council is represented by those members, if any, which are nominated by that group. 3. Elections shall take place at regular sessions of the Assembly. Each member of the Council shall be elected for 4 years. At the first election, however, the term of 1/2 of the members of each group referred to in paragraph L shall be 2 years. 4. Members of the Council shall be eligible for re-election, but due regard should be paid to the desirability of rotation of membership. 5. The Council shall function at the seat of the authority, and shall meet as often as the business of the authority may require, but not less than 3 times a year. 6. A majority of the members of the Council shall constitute a quorum. 7. Each member of the Council shall have 1 vote. 8a. Decisions on questions of procedure shall be taken by a majority of the members present and voting. b. Decisions on questions of substance arising under the following provisions shall be taken by a 2/3 majority of the members present and voting, provided that such majority includes a majority of the members of the Council. Article 162, paragraph 2, subparagraphs f, g, h, I, n, p, v, Article 191. C. Decisions on questions of substance arising under the following provisions shall be taken by a 3/4 majority of the members present and voting, provided that such majority includes a majority of the members of the Council. Article 162, paragraph 1. Article 162, paragraph 2. Subparagraphs a, b, c, d, e, l, q, r, s, tu. In cases of non-compliance by a contractor or a sponsor, w, provided that orders issued thereunder may be binding for not more than 30 days. Unless confirmed by a decision taken in accordance with subparagraph d. Article 162, paragraph 2, subparagraphs x, y, z, Article 163, paragraph 2, Article 174, paragraph 3, Annex 4, Article 11. d. Decisions on questions of substance arising under the following provisions shall be taken by consensus. Article 162, paragraph 2 m, and o. Adoption of amendments to Part 11. E. For the purposes of subparagraphs d, f, and e.g., consensus means the absence of any formal objection. Within 14 days of the submission of a proposal to the Council, the President of the Council shall determine whether there would be a formal objection to the adoption of the proposal. If the President determines that there would be such an objection, the President shall establish and convene, within 3 days following such determination, a conciliation committee consisting of not more than 9 members of the Council, with the President as chairman, for the purpose of reconciling the differences and producing a proposal which can be adopted by consensus. The committee shall work expeditiously and report to the Council within 14 days following its establishment. If the committee is unable to recommend a proposal which can be adopted by consensus, it shall set out in its report the grounds on which the proposal is being opposed. F. Decisions on questions not listed above which the Council is authorized to take by the rules, regulations and procedures of the authority, or otherwise shall be taken pursuant to the subparagraphs of this paragraph specified in the rules, regulations and procedures, or, if not specified therein, then pursuant to the subparagraph determined by the Council if possible in advance, by consensus. G. When the issue arises as to whether a question is within subparagraph A, B, C, or D, the question shall be treated as being within the subparagraph requiring the higher or highest majority, or consensus, as the case may be, unless otherwise decided by the Council by the said majority, or by consensus. 9. The Council shall establish a procedure whereby a member of the authority not represented on the Council may send a representative to attend a meeting of the Council when a request is made by such member, or a matter particularly affecting it is under consideration. Such a representative shall be entitled to participate in the deliberations, but not to vote.